How to create an Amazon wish list for teachers. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWish. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon wish list for teachers. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically this is going to be useful for teachers or any other person that you're thinking on, because here on your Amazon at the bottom of your screen you have 4 different options. The second one is your profile, this guy who is raising his hand, and there you're going to be able to see your list. Okay, so I'm going to tap on see all, and there I have, I guess, like 3: shopping list, Alexa list, and no more. But you can create a new one with this adding symbol to the right. So I'm going to create, for instance, the name that we are looking right now on our tutorial, list. Oh, sorry, I'm going to switch my keyboard language, list for teachers. Okay, create the list, and this is it. By now, my list for teachers is private. As you can see, below my list of teachers, there is a word private on gray. So I can click on invite and invite someone to view only or also view and edit. So by now, view only, and I can copy the link to send it through WhatsApp or Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, or to create an email, a text message, or more options. Probably this is going to lend us to some other apps that you could use, like Telegram or so on. And view and edit are the same options, okay? But by now, I want to show you how you can add something into your wish list. So let's suppose that I want this clock, I guess, or this is like a thermopro. So you can click on this icon next to the like button, okay, and this item has been added to a shopping list. I'm going to maintain the symbol, and in that way this is going to let me see if I want to edit the shopping list or for list for teachers, because if I just click on it, that's not gonna appear. Okay, this item has been added to shopping list, but you must hold the save and now list for teachers, save, and that's it. And if I go back to my profile and may click on, let me see, I must go back to my profile. Okay, if I scroll down, there's my list for teachers. I can click on see all, and this list for teachers has a clock. And if you send the link, that person is going to know that you want that clock. That's how you can create an Amazon wish list for teachers or any other person that you are thinking on. Thanks for watching.